Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn from Basic to Advanced English. I am Shana Ahmed. So today's verb is chinta. What we have been doing in for the past 2 to 3 weeks is that in every video I am trying to give you a word which happens to be a verb, and with that particular verb I am giving you multiple sentences, and also I am telling you the advanced way of saying those sentences. For instance, the simple English of the word chinta karna is to worry. Okay, if you want to say to somebody that please chinta mat karo, then how do you say it? We often say that please don't worry, or do not stress out, or do not freak out. These are the basic words, these are the basic slangs that I would say. But in this video I will give you innovative words, and I will also give you innovative sentences just in order to sound profound. So let's begin. First of all, I would like to give you words, proper English words that you can use in place of saying don't worry. Okay, discard the word worry, freak out and stress out. Let's see. I'm writing these words over here. The first word that you can use in place of chinta karna is anxiety. Okay, you can say anxiety. Then there is word apprehension, which also means worry. Okay, then we have unease. Okay, then we have disquiet. Okay, then we have perturbation. Perturbation. Okay, then we have angst. Angst, which is somewhat you can also use this word angst when somebody is angry also. Somebody is worrying and somebody is angry at the same time. Okay, then we had rumination. Rumination. Don't get scared by just hearing the words. These are very simple words. Just what you have to do is you just have to go through, you have to read these words once or twice. After reading the words once or twice, you will get an idea. Okay, this word is related to belief, disbelief, or the words are related to worry. The first sentence is चिंता करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. The common way of saying is that चिंता करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. You can say that worrying is not a good thing. Worrying is harmful for health. Do not stress out. Do not freak out. But in order to sound profound and classy, you have to say this sentence, which is चिंता करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. Worrying is not a good thing. Constant rumination seldom results in nothing. Okay, or you can say that constant rumination seldom gives you bad health. Okay, it is of no use. Constant rumination means लगातार चिंता करना. Okay, so what we have done is we have replaced the verb worry with a classy word, which is rumination. Constant is लगातार. Okay, moving to next, चिंता चिता के समान है. I hope you've come across the sentence that if there's anybody who is constantly worrying about a certain thing, then that person will definitely hamper his or her health. Okay, so चिंता चिता के समान है. You will say worrying or rumination, or you can say anxiety. Anxiety would be is more appropriate. Anxiety is like a slow burning fire that consumes a person from within. You must have heard the sentences like चिंता चिता के समान है, वो इंसान को अंदर से खोखला कर देती है. Ultimately what happens is that the health of the person deteriorates. So this is constant rumination. Your rumination anxiety is like a slow burning fire that consumes a person from within. This is the best way of saying चिंता चिता के समान है. Okay, मुझे उसकी चिंता खाई जा रही है. ठीक है. constant anxiety is ending my inner peace. Okay, that I am worried for somebody. I have not written, by getting the sentence, you will not get complete idea, but you will get an idea. Okay, in the sentence, somebody is worrying about someone. So, constant anxiety is ending up my inner peace. Okay, or you can say, instead of ending, you can also say it is eroding my inner peace. Okay. बच्चों की चिंता में माता पिता या माँ बाप हमेशा होश खो बैठते हैं. Okay. In their profound, what is profound? What is profound? I want you to write it down in the comment section. In their profound concern of children, parents often lose their emotional equilibrium. Okay? Like I said, I am going to give you advanced sentences, advanced words to say the basics, things and sentences. Like I said, the name of my channel is Learn from Basic to Advanced English. Enough, we have done enough with the basic. Okay? Basic sentences, basic words. Now we are moving to advanced. Okay? चिंता करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Worrying will not give you anything, or worrying will not result in anything. Okay? Let's see advanced way of saying this. The advanced way of saying is perpetual fretting will not result in anything. You can write this also. And you can also say perpetual fretting will change the course of action. Okay? Then is चिंता मन की शांति को छीन लेती है. Okay? Anxiety undermines, or it robs, or it snatches the मन की शांति. मन की शांति is mind of its serenity. Alright? You can also say inner peace, peace of mind. Okay? अत्यधिक चिंता आत्मविश्वास को कमजोर कर देती है. If you constantly are worrying about something, if you are in a situation, when you are always, into thinking and you are always into worrying that what will happen, it definitely takes a toll on your health. This is what the sentence is saying. अत्यधिक चिंता आत्मविश्वास, your confidence, okay? आत्मविश्वास को कमजोर कर देती है. Let's see how we can frame the sentence. अत्यधिक चिंता, excessive. Excessive, you can write anxiety, excessive apprehension, excessive unease, excessive perturbation, excessive rumination. All the words are right. Okay, let's stick to anxiety. Excessive anxiety steals away the self-confidence of a person. Atmavishwas, what is Atmavishwas? Atmavishwas is self-confidence only, na? That I believe in myself, I believe in you, that is confidence, I have full faith in you, okay? Excessive anxiety steals away the self-confidence of a person. Okay? चिंता मानसिक थकान देती है. Anxiety gives you emotional breakout, or you can say it gives you emotional stress. Okay? It takes a toll on your health. Okay? जो होना है, चिंता करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. जो होना है वो होकर ही रहेगा, है ना? Whatever is destined to happen will unfold in its due time. No matter what, no matter how much you worry, no matter how much you put in your efforts, no matter how much you predict, no matter how much you do predictions that what will happen of anything, what will happen, be it your results or anything you are worried about. Okay, it will, whatever is destined to happen, that will happen in the due time. Okay, चिंतन उपयोगी है, चिंता विनाशकारी है. Okay, चिंतन, reflection is constructive. Okay, what is chintan? What is chintan? Basically, you are reflecting your inner ideas, your inner thoughts. Okay, you're trying to connect it at a place. You're trying to connect it. You're trying to analyze your inner thoughts, your peace of mind. Okay, that is reflection. Chintan. चिंतन उपयोगी है, रिफ्लेक्शन इज कंस्ट्रक्टिव, चिंता विनाशकारी है, रेम्यूनेशन is corrosive. Okay, so these were all the sentences that have the verb chinta in them. I hope you like the words and the sentences. What you have to do is you just have to make a tear a page from your notebook. You just have to write, okay, these are the synonyms of chinta, and I have always told you that do not miss to take a screenshot of whatever I teach you, whatever I give you in my videos. Okay? Chinta again, chinta, 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 chintan. This was all for today. Thank you for watching and being with me.